Hello everyone, welcome to Whiskey Therapy. I'm Jason. We are going to venture off the whiskey cocktail train and make a cocktail that has topped many of the most popular cocktail lists for a number of years. Today, we're making the Porn Star Martini. And before you ask, no, you don't need a subscription, a ring light, or an alter ego, just a shaker and a reckless attitude. So without further ado, let's get into it. Let's go through today's ingredient lineup. Vanilla vodka, sweet, smooth, a little too easy to drink. Passion fruit liqueur, juicy like your DMs. Passion fruit puree, looks weird, tastes incredible, basically like this entire drink. Lime juice, to keep it zesty like your text threads at 2 a.m. Vanilla simple syrup, because we love sugar and have no regrets. Sparkling wine, optional, but also mandatory, like emotional baggage. And for garnish, half a fresh passion fruit. We'll float this in the drink like a tropical hot tub guest. So you're gonna add everything but the sparkling wine to your shaker. We're saving that for later, like good life choices. First in the tin is 1.5 ounces of vanilla vodka. Next, a half ounce of passion fruit liqueur. Then, 1 ounce of passion fruit puree. We'll follow that with a half an ounce of lime juice. Finally, a half ounce of vanilla syrup. This is homemade vanilla syrup. I'll leave the recipe in the description and be on the lookout for my video on how to make this. Add some ice to your tin, and then you're going to shake this like you're deleting texts before someone asks to see your phone. Now strain it into a chilled coupe glass because lukewarm cocktails are for people who call sparkling wine champagne. Now for the garnish. We're going to float half a passion fruit, enough to tease, not enough to call your lawyer. And don't forget the iconic sparkling wine sidecar. Do you shoot it, sip it, pour it in? There's no wrong answer, only judgment. And there you have it, the Porn Star Martini. Let's go in for a taste. Cheers, y'all. So, right up front, you get a hint of vanilla vodka. It's like your favorite scented candle made a questionable decision. Then the passion fruit comes in hot, tart, juicy, tropical, like being kissed by a mango with commitment issues. The lime gives it a sharp little slap, like it knows your browser history. And that vanilla syrup, it's whispering, you deserve this, you've been through a lot. Oh, and don't forget the sparkling wine on the side, because nothing says, I'm emotionally stable like chasing your drink with another drink. Cheers. The Porn Star Martini. It's fruity, it's flirty, it's got more drama than a reality show reunion special, and yes, it pairs well with poor decisions. Smash that like button, hit subscribe for more cocktails with questionable morals and great taste. And leave a comment telling me how many of these you'd need before texting someone you definitely shouldn't. Thanks for watching, y'all. And remember, it's not what it's called, it's how you shake it. We'll see you next time. Cheers.